Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Kushamadeen. Welcome to India's largest quiz on sports and fitness. You are here with me, Kamal Bagga, in yet another exciting episode of Fit India Quiz 2023 brought to you by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Let's see in which state we are stopping by to have this episode.
Welcome to Gujarat, a land of amazing beauty and timeless traditions where the spirit of the people is vibrant in every corner. The state of Asiatic lines is steeped in ancient customs and artistic excellence. It boasts architectural marvels like Rani Ki Vav and the intricately carved temples of Palitana, showcasing its rich architectural heritage. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over Gujarat's vibrant landscapes, it illuminates a land brimming with life and vitality. In Gujarat, sports transcend mere games. They embody a way of life, reflecting the indomitable spirit of its people. From dusty fields where young cricketers sharpen their skills to roaring stadiums where champions emerge, sports hold a special place here. The Narendra Modi Stadium, the largest in the country, underscores the significance of sport in the state. Ace cricketers like Ravindra Jadeja, Yusuf Pathan and Irfan Pathan hail from Gujarat. And now, let us witness the battle of wits among the curious young lions from Gujarat in this episode of Fit India Quiz.
We have three outstanding teams in the last quarter-final of Gujarat who will be tested on their knowledge of sports, fitness and health. It's time to meet them. Here on team number 1, we have Dipti and Jaideep from Nand Vidya Niketan, Jamnagar. On team number 2, we have Swara and Prushti from Reliance School, English Medium, Vadodara. On team number 3, we have Cheshta and Urvashi from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bharuch. So we are beginning with this episode of Fit India Quiz. Here are the rules of the first round. Get, set and go.
It's time for the first round of the quiz. Get, set, go. In this round, each team, starting with team 1, will have an opportunity to select a topic of their choice. Remember, once a team has chosen a topic, it becomes unavailable to the other teams. After selecting your topic, a question will be displayed on the screen without any options. You can answer directly and earn 20 points. However, if you are uncertain about the answer, there is no need to worry. You can opt to view the options. Once the options are revealed, you will have 3 opportunities to choose the correct answer. If you guess it correctly on the first try, you will score an impressive 15 points. On the second attempt, you will earn 10 points, and on the final try, you will receive 5 points. You will have 25 seconds to answer a question, whether or not you choose to view the options. There are no negative marks in this round, and questions will not be passed to the other teams. This gives everyone a fair chance to excel. Let's get started, and all the best.
I feel very excited and joyful to start this last quarter-final of Gujarat. Let's see which 2 teams will qualify for the semis. And here we go. First question to our first team. But before that, let's have a grid on your screen. Okay, so we have 6 topics from which team 1 will choose their first pick. We have Khelo India, Lifestyle, Olympics, Exercise, Surprise and Sports Business. So, Nand Vidya Niketan, what is your first pick?
So we are choosing Olympics.
Okay, you are going with Olympics. Let's see what's hidden behind Olympics. Here is your question on screen now. Which country, regarded as the birthplace of modern Olympics, hosted the inaugural edition in 1896? And your time has started. Do you want options?
Yes, sir.
Here are your options. Go for plus 15.
Option B.
Greece is absolutely correct. You have opened your account. Plus 15 to you. Well done, team 1. And with this, we move to our next team. That is Reliance School, English Medium. And here is your grid. So, Olympics is done. You have 5 options to choose from. What's your pick? You have Khelo India. Yes?
Sir, exercise.
Okay, they are choosing exercise. And first, look at the video. Look at the video closely. And now, question on your screen now. What exercise is being demonstrated in this video? Do you want options?
Sir, options.
Okay, options. Try for plus 15. Quick, time is running out. Just 16 seconds.
Rowing.
Rowing will fetch you plus 15. Absolutely correct. So both the teams have opened their account. We move on to our next team, that is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and we are left with 4 options, and here is the grid. Olympics is done, exercise is done. You have 4 options to choose from. What's your pick?
Lifestyle.
Okay, let's see what's hidden behind lifestyle. Which chemical released by hypothalamus and pituitary gland in response to pain or stress relieves pain and promotes sense of well-being? Your time is running out. Do you want options?
Yes.
Okay, here are your options.
Sir, answer D, testosterone. Answer D, testosterone.
Is incorrect. Team C, it's not the correct answer. You will gain no points in this round. And let's see what was the correct answer. Endorphins is the correct answer. And with this, we end our round number 1. Let's have a look at the scores. So team 1, Nandan Vidyaniketan, is on 15. Team 2nd, Reliance School English Medium, is also on 15. And Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is yet to open its account. A little shaky start by the teams, but here are more to offer in next 2 rounds. And it's time to move on to our second round, that is second lap.
Welcome to the second lap. In this round, teams will pick their topics in reverse order, starting with the last team. Each question in this round will feature 6 images, out of which only 4 are correct. For every correct selection, your team will earn 5 points. However, be cautious. If you choose an incorrect option, your score for that question will reset to 0, and your turn will end there. If a team manages to select all 4 correct images, they will receive a bonus of 5 points. So when in doubt, it might be wiser to stop and secure the points you have. There is no passing of questions in this round. Each question comes with a maximum time limit of 45 seconds, so you'll need to be both quick and accurate. Good luck.
So after first rounds, teams will have to challenge their brain and answer some quick answers so that they can get more points. So let's have our grid for this round, and we will be doing it in anti-clockwise. Yes, for first question, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, here is your grid. What you're gonna choose from? We have 6 topics: athletics, yoga, surprise, football, World Cup, and sports equipment. What's you gonna choose?
Yoga.
Okay, yoga, they are going for yoga. Let's see what's hidden behind yoga. Here, the question on your screen now. List the asanas that are a part of Surya Namaskar. Your time has already begun. Give me your first pick.
Adho Mukha Svanasana.
Plus 5. Try another one.
Asva Sanchalasana.
Plus 5. Very good. And third one?
Hastpadasana.
Plus 5 again. Do you want to quit or do you want to continue?
I want to quit.
Okay, so team B wants to quit. Let's see what are the answers. So here are the answers: Dandasana, Hastpadasana, Adho Mukh Svanasana, and Ashwa Sanchalasana. So these are the right answers, and we move to team number 2 in this round, Lions School English Medium. So you're left with 5 topics. What's you gonna choose?
Sports equipment.
They are going for sports equipment. Let's see what's hidden behind this topic. List the equipments used to play water polo. Your time has started now. Give me your first pick for +5. There are 6 options there. Give me your first pick for +5. Ball, nets, caps, shoes.
Sir, fins.
Fins, unfortunately, is not correct. You just guessed it and it was not the correct answer. Shoes and fins are the incorrect answers, and rest of the options were correct answers. You gain no points. So hard luck this time, but you'll try in next round. So let's look at the answer for this question. Caps, cones, nets and ball are the correct answers.
Hey there! Are you guessing the answers correctly but missing out on the rewards? Here is your 12th man chance. All you need to do is open the Fit India official Instagram page and check for the first clue in the stories. Then wait for the second clue, which will be shown on your screen in the next few seconds along with a question. Your job is to call on this number and give the answer within 5 minutes and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Here is your second clue.
Let's move to our last team in this round, Nand Vidya Niketan, and they have 4 options left with them. Let's see what's they gonna choose. Yes, team, your pick.
So football.
They are going for football. Let's see what's in football. So list the teams that have won the La Liga title. You have 6 options. Give me your first answer for +5.
So Real Madrid,
Real Madrid +5.
Atletico Madrid,
Atletico Madrid will give you +5 again. Try your third option, or do you want to quit?
Sir, I would like to quit.
Okay, another wise decision. They were not sure. It is wise when you are in doubt. It's better to quit, not to take unnecessary risks. They settle for 10 points in this round. Let's have a look at the right answer. So Valencia, Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid and Atletico Bilbao were the correct answers. 2 fantastic rounds of quizzing are done. Let's see where the teams stand after 2 rounds. So Nandan Vidya Niketan is on 25 and they are leading the quiz so far. On team number 2, Lions School English Medium is on 15 points, and team number 3, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, is also on 15 points. We are here in the last round of Gujarat's last quarter final, and this is the time where teams make or break. This is do or die. 100 points are up for grabs. Let's see which 2 teams will advance to the Gujarat semi-final. First, look at the rules.
In Do or Die, we introduce buzzer questions. When you buzz in, you have 2 choices. Play it safe to earn 10 points, or risk losing 10 points. Or take a risk to double the points, potentially earning 20 points or risking a loss of 20 points. If the first team to buzz in answers incorrectly, the question will be passed on to the next team on the buzzer. Before providing your answer, ensure you declare whether you are playing for the default points or opting for double points. This round can significantly impact your score, so be quick, smart, and confident.
Last 5 questions on buzzer. Any 2 teams can make to the Gujarat semis. Let's see who are these 2 teams in our last round. Here we go with our first question on screen. Now, teams, hands on the buzzer. Which yoga pose is named after the Lord of Dance and the source of yoga? JNV Baruch has gone for it. First, let me tell you, do you want to go for default or double?
Default.
Plus 10, minus 10, plus 20, minus 20. Default. You are setting for plus 10 and minus 10. What's your answer?
Asana.
It's absolutely correct. You fetched plus 10. You could have gone for the double, but there was a little hesitation. But it is wise not to take risks at this point of time. You are good with your yoga. Let's move on to our second question of this round. Which stadium's ban on Shah Rukh Khan is being referred in this Amul ad? Look at the visual carefully and tell me which stadium's ban on Shah Rukh Khan is being referred here. No team has gone for the buzzer. It seems. So two teams have gone for the buzzer. The first team that was on the buzzer is RSEM, Reliance School English Medium. Plus 10 or minus 10, or do you want to double? Say quickly. Double
Sir,
or
default.
Default. You are going for plus 10 and minus 10. What's your answer?
Sir, Wankheda Stadium.
Wankhede Stadium is absolutely correct. Plus 10 to Reliance School Medium. You know your cricket well. Let's move on to our third question of this round. Here the question appearing on your screen now. Which national football team is known by the nickname Clockwork Orange? You can look at the logo, you can guess it from there. Okay, NVN Jamnagar has gone for it. Plus 10 or minus 10, double or default?
Sir, double.
You want to go for double. What's your answer?
Sir, Netherlands.
Is absolutely correct. You have plus 20 in this round. Good going. So Netherlands was in fact the correct answer. They doubled it and they got the reward with plus 20 points. So we are down to the two questions in this last round. And here comes the penultimate question on your screen now. In which field event did an Indian athlete win the gold medal and Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan won the silver medal at the 2023 World Athletic Championships? RSCM school has gone for it in a flash. Let's see, plus 10 or minus 10, double or default? What you gonna do?
Javelin.
Javelin, sir.
Javelin throw is absolutely correct. You get plus 10. You did not go for the double, and that's what happens in a quiz. You are in a hurry, you get excited and you give the answer in a hurry and you settle for plus 10. And now we move on to our last question. Here we go. Who, widely known as the Flying Fish, achieved the historic feat of winning 8 gold medals in the 20... Okay, JNV Baruch has gone for it. Plus 10, minus 10, plus 20, minus 20. What's your pick?
Sir, double.
Double. You want to go for double. Okay, what's your answer?
Michael Phelps.
Is absolutely correct. You get plus 20 on the last one. Great answer. In a quiz like this, nobody loses. There are only winners and learners. Let's have a look at the final standing of the scores. So we have team number 1 Nand Vidya Niketan with 45 points, and on team number 2 we have Reliance School Medium with 35 points, and on team number 3 we have Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya with 45 points. Hard luck for Reliance School English Medium. So Nand Vidya Niketan and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya advances to the semis of Gujarat. And this is me, your host Kamal Bagga, signing off. Stay fit, stay healthy. Jai Hind.